visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check no kung anong nangyayari sa paligid, and I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or pwedeng konti lang. Take what's only yours, huwag pong salo ng salo. Believe in the divine timing kasi this is a timeless reading. So pwedeng makita nyo itong video na ito after a month no ng pagka-post nito or after a year. Kung kailan nyo po ito nakita, the message is meant to find you, no? So let's see the Ace of Cups with the Eight of Cups and the Seven of Cups. So nag-iba yung naramdaman nitong tao. It can be you, it can be your person. Parang sinasabi dito, bakit? Dati kasi, mahal na mahal ko to, no? Dati kasi, all in, or all out, bigay na bigay ako. Ngayon parang, either nawawalan ako ng gana, nawawalan ako ng amor. Siguro tanong din to sa sarili ko, why do I feel unsatisfied? And there is sort of like a push in me that I wanted to look or probably search for a new person, no? It doesn't always have to be na magkaroon ako ng, while I am in the connection, humanap ako ng iba. Pero pwede rin yung mangyari, no? Na humanap ako ng iba. Pero kasi ang nakita natin dito with the Eight of Cups, nandun pa rin naman, meron pa rin pag-ibig. Pero hindi siya ganun kalalim eh. In fact, the Eight of Cups, kahit nandun yung love, I am slowly walking away, no? And probably, the walking away in here is look for an option. So, kapag ganun ang naging istorya or naging ganun, ang thinking nitong taong to, so which means I am not, I feel that there is something wrong, no? I feel like I'm not satisfied. I am looking for satisfaction. Seven of Cups is clarified with the Eight of Swords and the Nine of Wands. So parang someone here probably realized na masyado kong nahihigpitan or parang hindi na ako nakakalabas or nawawala na yung identity ko. I can also be called as either Mrs. no, or kunyari Mrs. Reyes, yung ganyan. Parang you're becoming a shadow or mas nagkakaroon dito ng ego, no? Parang natatapakan yung ego kapag baligtad. Pag lalaki naman, Mr. pero apelido ni Mrs. yung ginagamit. So which means parang nadodominate ako. Pasensya na ha, may ubo tayo. Nadodominate ako. So, mas either malaki ang kita nito ni Mrs. or mas, kumbaga, mas may position, no? Mas may power. So, I feel a little small. Pwedeng yun ang dahilan. Hindi ko sinasabing yun talaga ang dahilan dahil wala pa naman dito yung mga cards. Sa tatlong cards na ito, together with the two clarifications, ang nakita natin dito merong something, no, na I am not really satisfied, and I'm looking and probably searching, finding ways how I can search for the satisfaction. The Justice and the Moon card. Um, for a few numbers of you, baka meron din ditong with the Justice card, no? Probably looking for either uh, judicial, judicial system, legal advice. How am I going to, is this, how am I going to leave the connection if meron na akong commitment or meron na akong contract na na-sign? So, I think that this could be an annulment or divorce case scenario, no? Kasi the moon card, I might be looking on this situation because I feel like I need to look for my own happiness, and I cannot do that with the Eight of Swords if I already have a contract with the person. That makes sense. So, nakita natin yung love. Nakita natin, nakikita ko dito yung ano no, yung progress or yung flow. There's with the Ace of Cups, yung sobrang love, no? It started with deep emotion, started good. Ace of Cups, no? Fell in love. The Eight of Cups, this is me starting to turn my back on the connection. Seven of Cups, looking for options. And the Moon card right now, how am I going to do all this? Because there might be some challenges or probably a lot of clouds right now. The Hierophant and the Two of Swords. So ito na nga. Clarification cards of the Hierophant. Hierophant is signifies by a pope, a priest, a high priestess, that somewhat unite, no? These two person. But how am I going to cut that with the Two of Swords, no? How am I going to cut that scenario situation? So yeah, this might be an annulment or divorce reading. So let's see some more cards. Kasi pag, di ba pag lalo na sa tradition natin or culture natin, pag united ka na or you sign up a contract, you get married, no? You walk down the aisle, mahirap. Ngayon pa lang pinapasa or naipasa na yata ang divorce, no? With the Sun, the Two of Wands, and the Five of Cups. The Sun kasi siguro pwede ring apart from the Sun, kasi merong bata dito and some other, readers are connecting this to a child. Pwede rin dito yung sino mag-aalaga sa bata, no? If in case magkakaroon ba ako ng financial support, no? Those are the factors. Or pwede rin ang factor dito, it's because of I feel like my person cannot produce a child, no? Because I have been waiting for this for quite a while with the Two of Wands. It should happen very soon dahil sexually active naman din siguro, no? Why it seems like it's not happening. With the Five of Cups, nakikita natin dito yung regret. Ace of Cups and the Sun. The Sun also showed up. So it can be both, no? That I don't have a child and also, so parang meron ditong infertility, no? Tayong nakikita. Kahit mahal kita. The Hangman and the Devil card. Yeah, it felt like the Hangman parang supersedes all those memories that you both shared. Kasi maganda naman sana, no? Kasi you started with love. But I feel like someone here is looking for more apart from us. So someone here might be looking for magkaroon ng complete family. Nangyayari yan 'di ba? Hindi lang sa Hindi lang sa LGBTQIA. Pero pwede rin ito sa LGBTQIA plus reading ha. Kasi 'di ba, usually pag LGBTQIA plus, ang nagiging senaryo si si kung sino man ito, yung hindi LGBTQIA, no? Parang naisip gusto ko nang magkaroon ng family. So, iiwan na ngayon to si LGBT. At nangyayari din 'yon, no, sa mga heterosexual relationship. There may be a lot of ways for you to have a child, no? We have IVF. We have many ways katulad yung ginagawa nung kila sino yun? Joel Cruz, no? Or adoption. Pero parang ang nakikita natin dito is more of infertility. So you cannot produce, and it felt like I am unhappy for that dahil ang gusto ko yung sa akin manggagaling tsaka sa iyo, no? Since siguro, no, dahil kulang itong finances, how can we do that if kulang tayo sa pinansyal, 'di ba? Yeah, this is your reading. It felt like na supersede, no? Na supersede yung mga na supersede yung love dahil hindi makabuo ng family and someone here wants to leave that person. So, yeah, this is your reading. Kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga personal questions, there is a link sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So again, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Capricorn, Scorpio. I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Cancer. I'm seeing Sagittarius. I am seeing Libra, Aquarius. Gemini is here. Aries is here. Taurus is here. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.